Hi, welcome to my art studio. My name is Wendy Bale. I work in cut paper and also in charcoal. Today's special request is for more cut paper pieces. So we will be putting together a cut paper crow in episode number 13 of my Monday Movies. I begin the project with a pencil sketch. I focus on finding the basic shapes to create each element of the bird. These shapes are outlined onto tracing paper, which gets photocopied to make my pattern. I cut out the parts of the pattern and assign them to which type of paper I will use. For this crow, I'm using 5 varieties of black paper. The different weights, opacities, and textures will help define the bird. When working on dark paper, I use a white pencil to trace the pattern onto the final paper. At this point, the bird is flat and kind of cartoon-like, but next comes the fun part of the process. This is where it really starts to come to life. Using an embossing tool, or you could even just use a dead pen, press details into the feathers. A piece of foam core underneath helps. A rim or lip can be added like this to give a little more dimension. Feather details are added, including softening the edges to look a little fuzzier. Now that I've finished texturing and forming all the pieces, it's time to glue them together. I have a drawer full of adhesives, but today we're going to be using white glue and glue stick. The glue stick is for the parts that are thin, like the translucent papers and where the white glue might show. I do this in sections, holding them in clamps until set. Bits of foam core can be added to raise up parts for added depth and dimension. Like all the papers and the adhesive, it's all acid-free. Well, here she is, all glued together. I'll create a background and display the piece in a shadow box frame. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Wendy Bale Art First, and you'll see how she looks on her background.